Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic. Why your channel's view has dropped dramatically. This is my channel, and as you can see the graph, the view has dropped dramatically. That's because the impression has dropped dramatically. It's like YouTube is not showing my videos to other people anymore. But why is this happen? Please watch till the end to find a solution. Okay, so I'm going to explain it. But before that, let me share something with you. I searched in YouTube that how to fix it, and there were a lot of videos, but almost all of them are useless. So I chatted with customer support, and a lot of people were useless there, except one, this one guy, this person or girl. This person's name is Prisha. So this person confirmed me, yes, it is normal to slow down, but why? Let me read it. To verify that views are real, we may temporarily slow down, freeze, or adjust view count, as well as discard low quality feedback. So this line confirms that if you upload a short and if it gets a lot of view all of a sudden, YouTube might slow down all of your views. Not only short, if you upload a video which dramatically, one or more videos which dramatically increase your view, they will slow down, freeze, or adjust view count without any evidence or anything. This is outrageous from YouTube because you are getting view from YouTube recommendation and then they're slowing down your view. This is really bad. Also, sometimes they stop the suggested video feature. Okay, so this person actually gave me a solution and it seemed to work. So I actually asked that person, how can I unfreeze it quickly? So after a lot of chit chat with this person, they first confirmed that unfortunately we don't have a way to manually unfreeze it on our end, so they can't. It means YouTube give their algorithm more priority than those humans. Okay, but there must be a solution. So I kept digging. I kept digging, and little bit later, as you can see, let me find the line. Just give me a moment, okay? See, what you may do is to keep uploading long form videos to increase it. As you can see, this person has a solution. So, but this person didn't say how many long form videos do I have to upload to unfreeze it and how long will it take. In my experience, usually in 48 hours it fixes, but if it fails to fix it in 48 hours, then your channel might go on a 15 days or 28 days phase. But if you want to fix it quickly, you may do is to upload long form of videos. So I started to upload long form of videos here. Let me show you contents. See, yesterday I uploaded two, the day before two, the day before one, the day before, well, three. And if we go to analytics, as you can see, it is 41 now. Before that, it was 35. So it is slightly improving. Okay, and impression, it was 383, but I started to upload more long form of videos and it is actually increasing. Now it is 908. So this is a solution, I think. If you upload more videos, more long form of videos, then it might accelerate the process. There can be another solution. This person said I have to upload long form of video. Why? To gain more impression and views. But if you push some YouTube ad traffic all of a sudden in impression and view, this will shake their system. And if it happens, then they might start showing your video again. This happened to me before. Let me show you that statistic. 365 days. As you can see, this was my lowest point. And then I put an ad on YouTube, and from after that, I never have had any problem with my impression until today. So as I tried this thing for the first time, uploading a lot of videos together, long videos, it is a slow solution. If you want a fast solution, all you have to do, push some traffic, and that traffic have to be legit, come from YouTube advertising source, and then it might increase. That's the solution. Thank you guys, and happy new year again, and I hope you will find my video helpful. And if you do, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Have a good one.